I just want to run through a couple of ways that you can deal with MEX and other enhanced services when it comes to accounting purposes. One way is that you can create in your control panel an enhanced services category. Effectively, this is a payment method. So you might be doing MEX, cataract referral, IOP refinement, but this is the method that you get paid, effectively like a credit card or a direct debit. It's an enhanced services backs payment that's coming in. So if you pop that in there, you'll then be able to use it in your till. So if then you go to your patient, till module, let's create a new transaction here. And we'll add in, let's just pretend it's a site test and we're getting paid by enhanced services. So you then, when you go to other as a payment source, you can then go enhanced services payment and you can pay it off. That's all nice and balanced. You've sold the service, in this case eye test, but that's going to be a MEX or a cataract. You've paid it off with enhanced services, so and that'll show on your accounting summary. Now, my only issue with this is because of the payment submission deadlines, you may do a MEX on the 22nd of the month, and actually you've missed your submission deadline. So when you get the nice report in from the enhanced services and what you've paid, and then you compare that to your accountant summary, you might not get paid for the same payments in the same month. There's also the issue that occasionally something might get disputed and you don't actually get paid that amount. So I have a preferred way of dealing with these payments, and that would be to add a transaction. So from your diary page, you've got your patient in the diary. Click the first number, which is the control panel, and then you've got the option to add a quick payment. Okay, that's popped me in there at the bottom, and if you want to log it against an Optum, you can do. Category wise, we're going to put enhanced services. Description, that's where you would then add your MEX or whatever. These come from your appointment list. So I'd tick that. Go, and you can obviously put your price in that they're giving you. Hopefully, nice, lots of money. There we go. Now that is a log for today against that patient still. It's not on your till, but it is a log against that patient for today. So you can consolidate that in the day. That £50 will go on your daily total. Okay, so it will log it for store performance, staff bonus, etc. But what it's not doing on your monthly accounting summary is declaring that money. So it's not going to add to your totals on the accounting summary. What I suggest you then do with your accountant, when your monthly bank statement comes in from enhanced services or whatever your contract's called, you'll have an amount. Hopefully that's £5,000, £2,000, etc. That's the amount your accountant declares, because effectively that is the money that's come in, not the money that you've been kind of logging all through the month. So it allows for payments that haven't been made because they're going to get paid next month, and it also allows for payments maybe that have been declined or that sort of thing. The benefit of that is you're not over declaring takings and therefore you're not paying tax on money that might not come in or might come in later. That's my preferred method. Because all of these enhanced services are zero VAT rated anyway, the accountant doesn't need any information on whether they're partial, full or VAT exempt. Any questions, as usual, just pop them in the forum, and thank you.